Good morning, children. All of you open your volume 1 activity book. Volume 1 activity book, page number volume 1 activity book, page number 30. Come to the nutritious food. Healthy food for a healthy body. Fill in the boxes with the names of food components. Here food components are given. We must name that. Some food items are given. Okay, we must name that one right here. This leafy, for example, see, leafy vegetable contains minerals, fruits contains vitamins. Okay, already they had shown you one example. Okay, leafy vegetables contain minerals. We know fruits contains vitamins, and meat, okay, and fish, all this contains proteins. Chicken, all this contains proteins. Next one is water. See, grains, bread, okay, grains like wheat, maize, okay, all this contain carbohydrates. And oils, cheese, all they contain fats. Oil, ghee, cheese contain fats. Drumstick, corn and rich gourd contain dietary fibers or roughages. Okay, healthy food for a healthy body. Fill in the blanks with the names of food components. One done for you. Here some foods are given. In that which component is main, we must write here. Already one example given for the leafy vegetables, minerals. Okay, fruits contain vitamins. Fish, chicken, meat, all they contain. Eggs, they contain proteins. And water, cereals, grains, okay, all they contain, bread, all they contain carbohydrates. Oil, cheese, ghee contain fats. Rich gourd, drumstick, corn contains dietary fibers. Now come to the next page. Some food related words are numbered here. Okay, food related words are numbered in this chart. Put the number in the appropriate blank boxes provided in the flow chart. Here one flow chart is given. We should write the number, okay, numbers here to fill this flow chart. Okay, food we need. Food is mainly three types. What are that? Energy giving foods, body building foods and protective foods. Okay, energy giving food number 5, body building food number 2, protective foods number 7. Food we need mainly 3 types. The food we need mainly 3 types. Energy giving food, body building food and protective food. Again, body building foods are 2 types. What are those? Energy giving foods are 2 types. What are those? Carbohydrates and fats. Carbohydrates is 8, fats is 3. Carbohydrates is 8 and fats is 3. And protective foods are, body building foods are proteins. Proteins number is here 4. And protective foods are vitamins and minerals. Vitamins number is vitamins 1 and minerals 6. The food we need are 3 types: energy giving food, body building food and protective foods. Energy giving foods 5, body building foods number 2 and protective foods number 7. These energy giving foods are mainly two types: carbohydrates, fats. Carbohydrates number 8, fats number 3. Body building foods are proteins. Proteins number 4. And protective foods are vitamins and minerals. Vitamins number 1 and minerals number 6. Okay. Now come to the next one. We take a balanced diet by eating these food items in proper qualities. Put the words in the boxes that describe their amounts of intake. Okay, this is the balanced diet. Okay, these food items must be eaten in proper quantities. Okay, ప్రాపర్ క్వాంటిటీస్లో తీసుకుంటేనే ఈ ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్స్ని అది బ్యాలెన్స్డ్ డైట్ అవుతుంది. పుట్ ద వర్డ్స్ ఇన్ ది బాక్సెస్ దట్ డిస్క్రైబ్ దేర్ అమౌంట్స్ ఆఫ్ intake. See here, cereals, bread, grains, okay, potato, all they contain carbohydrates. Okay, these carbohydrates must be taken adequately. Okay, adequately. And fats must be taken sparingly. Fruits and vegetables must be taken liberally. Milk, proteins contain food, fish, meat, eggs, they must be taken moderately. Okay, here these food items we should take in proper quantities. Okay, for example, see, cereals are there, we must take them adequately. Eat adequately, తగినంతగా సరిపడా తీసుకోవాలి. And fruits and vegetables we must eat liberally, ఎక్కువగా తీసుకోవాలి. And fats, oils, chocolate, ice cream, all they must be taken sparingly, చాలా తక్కువగా తీసుకోవాలి. Protein content food like fish, meat, milk, egg, chicken, all they must be taken moderately, మీడియంగా తీసుకోవాలన్నమాట. On the next page. Make a balanced food pyramid by pasting the stickers of the food items appropriately. Okay. Go to your last page of this activity book. You will have the stickers, no? Adequately, which food items we should take adequately, like paste here rice, chapatis or rotis. Paste the stickers here. Back of your activity book there will be stickers, no? Idlis also comes under the carbohydrates only. Carbohydrates should be taken adequately. So write all the food items containing the carbohydrates. Bread. Okay, paste the stickers of these in adequately box. In the carbohydrates should be taken adequately. So paste the food items that contain the carbohydrates. Stickers will be back of your activity book. Okay, rice, chapatis, idlis, bread. Next, what should we take liberally? Which food items we should take liberally means fruits and vegetables. Okay, one side fruits, on the other side vegetable stickers. Paste here vegetable stickers. Which food item should be taken moderately means protein containing food like chicken, fish, milk, egg. Paste that stickers in this box. Which food item should be eaten sparingly means oil, ghee, and okay, paste the stickers of this here. Next, see, Come to the next one. Mention overweight, underweight and normal weight in each case. If input calories is less than output calories means, okay, ఇన్పుట్ క్యాలరీస్ అవుట్పుట్ క్యాలరీస్ కంటే తక్కువగా ఉంటే వాళ్ళు అండర్ వెయిట్, అంటే సరిగ్గా తినట్లేదు, వాళ్ళు అండర్ వెయిట్ తక్కువగా ఉంటారు. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ ఇన్పుట్ క్యాలరీస్ ఈజ్ లెస్ దాన్ అవుట్పుట్ క్యాలరీస్ మీన్స్ అండర్ వెయిట్. ఇఫ్ ఇన్పుట్ క్యాలరీస్ ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ అవుట్పుట్ క్యాలరీస్, ఎక్కువ క్యాలరీ ఫుడ్ తీసుకుంటున్నారు కానీ దే ఆర్ నాట్ స్పెండింగ్ దట్ క్యాలరీస్, సో దే విల్ కమ్స్ అండర్ ఓవర్ వెయిట్. Next, input calories is equal to output calories. They are taking and they are spending that calories. So normal weight. If input calories is less than output calories means underweight. If input calories is greater than output calories means overweight. If input calories is equal to output calories means normal weight. Next, tick the healthy food items and come to the next page. Tick the healthy food items and cross the unhealthy food items. See, chapatis healthy food, pizza unhealthy, coconut healthy, chocolate unhealthy, and sandwich it contains more fat and it is unhealthy. Bread healthy, chips unhealthy, upma, homemade upma healthy food, and fruit salad healthy food, ice cream unhealthy, dal healthy, okay, fried snack it is unhealthy, noodles unhealthy, milk healthy, cool drinks unhealthy, boiled egg healthy, chicken healthy, French fries unhealthy, fish healthy, and lollipop unhealthy. Chapatis healthy food, pizza unhealthy, cross it. Coconut healthy and chocolate unhealthy. Sandwich unhealthy, it contains more fat. Next, bread healthy, chips unhealthy, potato chips unhealthy, and upma healthy, fruit salad healthy, ice cream unhealthy, dal healthy. This snack is something snack, no, this is oil, they will fry these items in the oil, so it is unhealthy. Noodles unhealthy, milk healthy, cool drinks unhealthy, boiled egg healthy, and chicken healthy, French fries unhealthy, junk food, and fish healthy, lollipop unhealthy. Not on the next page. Does the activity lead to obesity? Put a mark on the activities which lead to obesity and cross the others. Okay, see here they are playing outdoor games. Okay, we must put tick on the activities which lead to obesity. Okay, so cross it, it will not lead to obesity. Here he is eating all the French fries, pizzas, okay, sandwich and all, cool drinks. Okay, he is eating junk food, so it leads to obesity. Okay, she wakes up early, no, so it is healthy, so it does not lead to the obesity, cross it. And even it is 8 also, she is not waking up, so it leads to obesity. See, watching movie by eating these snacks, it leads to obesity. Always watching TVs or movies by eating any snack, any fried items like that means it leads to obesity. Ticket. And doing yoga, it will not lead to obesity. See, he is eating something fast food, it leads to obesity. He is doing walking, it will not lead to obesity. and doing exercise, it will not leads to obesity. And by sitting he was sleeping, it leads to obesity. He was lazy, it leads to obesity. Swimming, it is a good exercise, no, it will not leads to obesity. And watching TV, okay, it leads to, by sitting and watching continuously the TV, it leads to obesity. In the first row, see they are playing, they are doing some physical activity, they are playing outdoor games, so it will not leads to obesity. And he is eating all the junk foods, soft drinks and all, okay. By sitting he was eating all the junk food, fast food, so it leads to obesity. She is waking up at early, so it will not lead to obesity. If we woke up late means it leads to obesity. Watching movies by eating the snacks means what we are eating, how much we are eating, we will not know, so we will eat more, it leads to obesity. If we do the yoga, asanas and all, it will not leads to obesity. Eating fast food leads to obesity. Walking, it will not leads to obesity. Doing exercise, it will not leads to obesity. He was sleeping, he was lazy, it leads to obesity. He was doing exercise, they are doing swimming is also one type of exercise, so it will not lead to the obesity. And he was playing computer games by sitting, he was not playing outdoor games, so it leads to obesity. Tick the picture which reflect the effect of overnutrition. Tick the picture which reflect the effect of overnutrition. This picture, if they are not taking, these two comes under malnutrition, kwashiorkor and marasmus, okay. He is underweight, he is not taking the correct nutrition, correct proper nutrition. See, he is taking over nutrition, so he is overweight. Take this, okay. And right here in this space, by seeing the textbook, right here mind map.